I think each of our learners has a different reason for trusting us. But here's what I can share with you, that where does our strength comes from? Where does our confidence comes from? Of course, when you're in design education, being an expert in design is given. But there is another dimension to education, how learning takes place, and therefore how should one teach. When you join AND as a learner, you enter an already well-established ecosystem that optimizes learning for you, even though it is online and remote. Our experience at IIT gave us insights about the challenges of a learner, what works, what does not work. We've spent 2 years in the pandemic teaching remotely very intense curriculums. We have loads of notes and learnings from that period, which is all got transferred into the academic system at AND. Everybody thinks that if you are teaching online, all you have to do is open your laptop, put a presentation on screen share, and start sharing your knowledge and experience. And in this process, somehow the knowledge will get transferred to the learner. But learning is far more complex than that. You need to engage the learner actively into this. Now, what this requires is robust planning and a thoughtfully choreographed series of experiences that you take your learner through, so that gradually that person starts becoming proficient in the skill, knowledge, understanding.